Yo, what is going up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out what would happen if we got a bunch of moons from other planets, including our moon, and we had it on a collision course with the Earth all at once. So let's start by adding our moon to the equation, and then let's go Mars's moon, Phobos, moon, same. It's actually, they're two different ones. Didn't know that. And I'm hoping they don't collide first, but it looks as if, yeah, that's online. And let's add, can we go Jupiter's moon? No. I think Titan is one of Jupiter's moons. Obviously, you can definitely tell this is enough to end the world, but I'm just curious to see what would happen. Let's add two of our moons, just for lols. And we'll have one more moon, Europa. And in fact, let's have it so they all have different velocities, should we? Yeah, why not? It'll be hard to control for time, but. So our velocity here, where's our velocity? Speed. Yeah, it seems like that's 35 kilometers an hour. So let's slow down the simulation and let's see what would happen. So I'm expecting a few first impacts to occur. Wow, Europa's just coming in. I feel like Europa's going to be the first one to hit the Earth. If these all hit the Earth, thinking about it. Oh yeah, they're being gravitationally pulled down. Europa, I'm expecting Titan and the Moon itself to have an impact before it actually hits the Earth. Because you can definitely tell, look, they're getting quite close to each other. Definitely going to happen, I'd say. Maybe it would make the collision be avoided. Oh, we don't want to miss. What one should we view first, guys? We'll go like this, see. It looks like they're going to happen. Yeah, Europa's going to happen first. So we'll slow it down here. If you don't know, I've done a Europa video before, the speed of light. This is totally different effects because less energy is being inputted into the Earth. So it seems like Europa first hits Africa. Let's see if there's any other collisions. Oh, this one is very close. I wouldn't be quite surprised if these moons actually don't hit the Earth at all. But as you can see from the view of these moons, it looks quite horrible. I mean, look, the Earth instantly. Europa actually took all our water. How does that work? That is actually quite interesting on how that works. Oh, we might have Phobos have hit Titan as well. Okay. So definitely a big effect. How big is this fragment? 260 kilometers. That's a large fragment. That's bigger than this asteroid. So the asteroid's really not going to have a big effect. I'm actually quite surprised that the Moon and Titan has not collided yet. I was expecting them to collide around the same time. It's taking quite a while, but I can definitely tell that the Moon is definitely going to collide with Titan. And it looks as if, wow, that's a lot of fragments actually. Half of the Earth is already destroyed, even from one impact alone. It seems like the Earth can't really handle that. And I think the Moon and Titan's just about to collide itself. I wouldn't be surprised if any of these fragments come out and collide with Titan or the Moon. But it looks like the Moon's, the Moon's colliding with Titan. That was actually unplanned. We actually have another Moon coming up because we launched two of them. Oh, wow. Wow. We don't even have to do the other simulation. Most of the Earth is, gone. But what's it going to be like when Titan hits? Wow. This is going to be really bad. I mean, the Earth can come back from one impact, but several of these? Wow. Definitely going to change the way and landscape the Earth works. The dynamics of the Earth will definitely change from this. Maybe the Earth will avoid Titan's. Nope, Titan's coming in straight now. I feel like that's... Oh, wait. It looks like our atmosphere has burnt away a bit, obviously from the heat and energy. Fragments coming off. We still have that asteroid. Oh, no, it's Mars' moon. That's right. It just looks like an asteroid. It's so tiny. Compared to the other ones, anyway. It's going to have already mantle areas, so I'm actually quite curious to see what happens. And then we've got... Our moon is going very slow. Maybe the moon won't hit the Earth. But here we go, guys. There's no avoiding this unless we press delete. If we had that power in the world. And let's just see if we can spot what planets, not planets, what countries these are. This is definitely the United States. So that would have to be South America that's about to hit, or the remainants. Okay, we have impacts. Slow it right down. So this is the second impact. This is the more major one, and look what Europa already did. And I mean, this is not even the mass of Titan, it's the mass of Titan and the moon. 2 moons, nevertheless. And it looks as if this is going to be quite a severe impact. Definitely, duh. But I wouldn't be surprised if this rips apart the Earth, and we've still got 1 more impact to go. 2 more impacts to go if you count little phobia here. Phobia. And it looks like the impact it occurs pretty quickly, basically. Other side of the Earth has not been hit yet. Big fragment coming off though. Even wow. Let's get the size of this compared to the moon. What? It's 80% of the moon that's just been shot out. It looks as if, is this gonna come back and hit us again? Oh, we actually have another. It's all happening in one area. Oh, what? Damn. Some more fragments coming off. Definitely gonna hit this time. There's not enough energy to throw it completely out. I feel like this one's actually gonna come out quite a bit. And we still have 1 more to go. Mass destruction, I'd say. Definitely extinction. Definitely extinction. And here comes the moon. It's all happening in around the same area. It looks as if... Oh, the moon's actually getting bombarded already with those fragments off the other impacts. And we have our next impact. This is another major. Of course, they're all major, but this is the moon we're talking about. And where is our fragment the size of the moon gone? Has that impacted? Has it? I actually don't know where it went. I think I lost it. Oh well. We'll see if we can find it in a minute. Let's go play. Going too slowly, I think. Here we are. And that's all our impacts finished, I'm pretty sure. The overall mass of the Earth, 51 moons. It's actually lost a lot of mass from all this impacts. That's quite interesting, to be honest. Let's go to Earth. It's 97% of what Earth used to be, but it's lost a lot of its mass. I'm guessing because it's all condensed into mantle. That's my thoughts on this. And definitely, here we are. It's going to become a scorching ball of fire. So this is Earth now. What's Earth going to be like after? After it recuperates from this. Well, look at the temperature. 1800 degrees. That's pretty hot. That's a lot of energy. And realistically, this would last quite a while, I'd say. But over time, water comes back. It's quite interesting because it seems like they think water will come back when the mantle's still there. We still have parts of the world that we can identify, I'd say. How the hell did Africa survive? How did anywhere survive? Oh, well. No. I was about to say, how did Africa survive? How did anything survive? I mean, we've still got... I can't even identify that. Definitely the axis has changed. Axes. And can we check the Earth similarity? Let's have a look. There's usually a field where you can check the similarity to Earth. Temperature's actually decreasing. How far? Are we getting shot out? I feel like because we lost our atmosphere, that's happening. I mean, 4 degrees. It's going down into the zeros. Wouldn't be surprised if we're becoming an ice planet. I didn't expect that to happen. How are we getting shot out at all? Because, oh, we started here. We lost quite a bit. It looks like we created... I want to find that fragment that we made from the impact. Whether or not it actually vaporized. Or whether or not it got lost. And yeah, we are actually dropping in temperature consistently still. I'd actually would have thought that would have... I guess because the Earth's mass was lost. Oh wait, no. We've returned to kind of... Oh, that's kind of interesting because when you're on one side of the Earth, of the sun, sorry, yeah, the water is liquid. And then on the other side, it's ice. So it's definitely altered quite a bit. It's just this path here has changed, which that's where our cooler temperatures are. I'm pretty sure that's how it goes. See how quickly it drops down in the average temperature? That is quite interesting. And Earth has become nevertheless, mostly, you can definitely tell that is something from America. South America, I believe? But you can definitely tell that Earth has become mostly a water planet. So the effects, Earth becomes a water planet, definitely an extinction. Not avoidable at all. I'd say life would not exist yet on this planet, with the forever conditions changing until we get a stable orbit. In fact, let's go ahead and let's see if the Earth ends up getting a stable orbit from this, because it seems like it's changing every time. So let's speed it up and see how Earth does a bit over time. Seems like the Earth consistently has that type of environment, so it might be that life is able to sustain this because it's a sustainable environment, because it's forever like that. It's not changing, like it's winter now and now it's burning hot. It's like it's nice temperatures and then it goes really cold, kind of like our winter, but it's like a whole planetary winter type of thing. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe for more content. Twitter and Instagram links are in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one.